Hello everyone, my name is Deepak. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can improve your English alone at your home. Yes, you don't need practice partner. Yes, alone at your home, you can improve your English and you can speak English fluently. And many people face this problem because they don't have any practice partner to practice with. So watch this video very till the end and I will give you process with the example of your English reach next level. So let's dive in. So guys, this is little about me. When I started learning this language, I faced many problems because I never gone any convent school, any English medium school. I came from very Hindi medium school where English is nothing. Okay, you have one problem, that is fear of judgment. If I making mistake, people what think about me, people laugh at me. So leave this problem, because if you face this problem you will never speak English ever. First step is consume English content. Yes, you heard it right. When I started learning this language, I watch 4 to 5 video every single day in English, where native speaker speak this language very fluently. You can pick any YouTube channel. I will suggest you you should pick a news channel, because where anchor continuously speak English and English she talk to you English to English. So you go with this. I am giving you some channels name like First Stops हो गया, Dramatize Me हो गया, BBC Learning हो गया, where English is very enthusiastic native speaker spoke. After doing these things, you will see improvement in yourself. You will see that English automatically comes in your mind. So try this. Second step is talk to yourself. If you don't have any practice partner, it will be better for you. You should talk to yourself, standing in front of mirror and talk to yourself. You can talk about your daily basis goal. You can talk about imaginary situation, your daily basis work, about your office, about your school, about your teacher, and you can think any imaginary situation and talk on it. So if after doing these things you will see magic. So start talking to you and yes, figure out your mistake, absorb your body language, your tone, your routine. Third step is start thinking in English. Guys, if you really want to learning this language, speak this language, then you have to think in your head and you have to thinking in English. Instead of saying मैं पानी पीने जा रहा हूँ, say I am drinking water. Instead of saying this is kursi, this is chair, you have to say this is chair, this is door. Don't think in Hindi, think in English. At first you can start with small sentences and then increase your sentence structure, and then you can turn it into paragraph. So firstly you have to think and stop translating into Hindi to English. Fourth step is start listening. Yes, this is very important element in your English speaking journey. When I started learning this language, I used to watch 4 to 5 video every single day and I tried think in English. So if you are beginner, then you can watch 2 to 4 video every single day and as much as you can watch. So try to listen. You can listen any podcast in English, you can listen English song, you can listen any English movie. So basically you should listen English. Our fifth step is start reading in English. Yes, if you really want to speak this language, start reading book. It could be your English textbook, it could be newspaper, it could be any magazine, any story book, and what you are liking, you can go with this. Okay, but you have to read 1 hour to 2 hour, but you should read every single day in English book. After doing these things, your mind automatically grab sentences and sentence structure automatically in your head. So you need to try study. Doesn't matter it understand you or not, just read. And most important thing, when you reading, तुरंत अगर कोई आपको वर्ड नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो आप तुरंत उस वर्ड का मतलब ढूंढने मत बैठ जाना. यू कैन नोट इट डाउन एंड देन आफ्टर रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर और बुक, देन तुम मतलब सर्च कर सकते हो गूगल पे जाके वो सेंटेंस का मीनिंग, बट एट दैट टाइम मत करना. गाइज, इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, प्लीज मेक श्योर लाइक, शेयर and subscribe my channel and share with your friend who want to speak this language very fluently. So I will see you in the next video. Bye people. Let me in the comment section which topic you want to video